Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on the Barracuda. As you guys know, we still have to install the passenger side floor pan. We still have a lot of work to do. So real quickly, let's take a quick look so you guys can remember what we're doing. This side's pretty much done already. So what I'm doing now is going to grab my plasma cutter and start chopping all this out. Let's see how much I can get done today. All right guys, so we finally got this plasma cutter out. We're going to go ahead and start using it because we have to chop out that floor pan as much as we can. And if we don't get started today, I don't think I'm going to be able to get this done. So let's connect this bad boy and start using it. As you guys can see, we're still making a lot of progress on this car. There's a lot more areas that need to be drilled out. I drilled that out. Inside the floor pan. We pretty much have everything cut out already. Just gonna finish up right there. And I think I might be able to actually set the floor pan into a little scribe mark right there and start cutting out the excess. But we're making a lot of progress, guys. Let's continue with this.